Advancing toward Industry 4.0, tunnel boring machines from MTS Perforator are in use around the world. Electricity, gas, telephone, water, sewage and more. A network of pipes lies below these buildings and streets, and around the world many kilometers are being added every day. A cutting-edge specialist in the field is the German company MTS Perforator GmbH in Walloon, around 70 kilometers east of Hamburg. It produces state-of-the-art tunnel boring machines which are used worldwide.
We produce tunnel boring machines for underground pipe driving. That means we lay pipes below the earth using these machines, without the need to cut an opening in the ground or use excavators. We have a target point to reach with these pipes, and when we get there, one pipeline has been fully laid below the earth.
A pipeline like this can have very different diameters. Between 25 centimeters and 3 meters is no problem for the MTS tunnel boring machines. The unmanned boring heads can dig up to 40 meters depth and 1 kilometer horizontally below the earth. Underground high-tech with the highest degree of technology. Incidents should never occur, regardless of whether the machine digs through sand, clay or rock, and no matter how deep or far in it is.
The major challenge for a tunnel boring machine is the environment where the machine is used. The components must be available worldwide and offer excellent reliability.
Machinery engineering companies have been using SmartWire DT from Eaton for some time. One advantage is that assembly of the tunnel boring machines has since become considerably quicker and is less prone to errors. In the past, all components, such as the switchgear sensors and actuators, had to be separately wired.
Now we have a bus system in which just a single cable passes all the switches. This gives us much better diagnostic options. We can see if switches are missing, if they switch properly, and, in the event of a problem at some point in the system, you can diagnose where it is much more quickly.
For machinery engineers, it is also crucially important that the tunnel boring machines cannot in any way be manipulated. Among others, for warranty reasons.
The situation today is that the motor current is stored in the control system. The motor protective circuit breaker is adjusted to match the motor current, and both are compared. If a user increases the motor current at the protective circuit breaker to a level higher than permitted, he is then prevented from switching on the motor. We therefore have considerably greater protection for the connected components.
SmartWire DT makes this system intelligent. The machine's separate components, known as smart devices, communicate with each other at all times and transfer status values. And this not just to one another and to the control center, but also over a greater distance to Germany. If a problem occurs, the experts can remotely analyze it online thanks to the detailed information available and then help with the repair process. Optimum customer service around the world.
SmartWire DT is an innovative technology that paves the way to the networked environment of Industry 4.0. We are continuously working to make standard switchgear ready for SmartWire DT, so that in future, all switchgear will be SmartWire enabled and well prepared for Industry 4.0.
Demand is growing by the day, not least at MTS. The integration of Power XL drive engineering and SmartWire DT opens up further new possibility.
We are going in the direction of getting more and more components on this bus system. At present, we're working on a project with Eaton to integrate our hydraulic units in our systems. And it's important to us to be able to detect where errors can occur in good time, where minor faults arise. As I said, this puts us in a position to respond far more quickly to these failures and guarantee the customer the shortest possible downtimes.
A vision of the future with intelligent machines and intelligent components. This vision is now reality with SmartWire DT from Eaton.